Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys, how can we change phone sleep time in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to change your phone sleep time, so how can we change it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we change phone sleep time in our Samsung phone. So we will on our phone setting to change it. Then guys scroll it. So as you can see this type of setting. So how can we change phone sleep time? Guys, we will click on display setting and guys we will scroll it. So as you can see screen timeout mean phone sleep time setting guys. We can change from here. We will click on 15 seconds. Then guys wait for a while. Then guys after 50 seconds your phone will sleep guys. If you do not touch guys, don't click anywhere on the screen. Wait for only 15 seconds guys. Your phone will sleep guys. You can see it's going to sleep and sleep. So like that guy we can change phone sleep time setting and we can use it in Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys. Before going please go and like the video.